Yeah, carrot.
What's that? Hi. Oh, look at my whale. Oh my God, Steph. So nice to see you after so long. Oh, you know what this actually is?
Me too.
What? Oh, it's so nice. Wait, I need to fix the lighting. You know what? Miss Aisha had a party last night and I have not set the light yet. Just give me a second, okay? Oh, wow. Everyone looks so beautiful. Do I look cute too?
You
No?
look pretty too.
Did you say no?
Hi, teacher.
Hi, Alian. Hi, Nora. Hi,
Good
Hadian.
morning.
Ahmed. So nice to see you. Okay. I think it's cool. You can see me, right? You know what I'm wearing here? See.
I don't think.
Ah, yeah, it's perfect.
You're
Okay.
looking nice.
My light. Okay. Yeah. Do you actually know what this is? Hey, Jian.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sweetie. Do you know what exactly this is? Who can tell me what is this?
What is this? Tell me that.
It's a whale.
It's a whale. And what is my whale made up of? Because I cannot definitely have a whale in my house. What do you think is this? Okay, mommies, what do you think is this? Mommies will know better.
Whale.
Yeah, but what is this whale made up of?
Cotton.
Oh, Baksh.
Not.
You know what cloth is this? From where did I get this? I actually ripped off one of my curtains. And this is my curtain. I have put my curtain on my head now. Steffi is laughing. Children, do you know what is a curtain? The cloth that we use for windows to cover the light coming inside. That is this. And that's the reason it's so... Da, 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 da. Look at this. Ah. I can actually use it as a blanket. It's that big. Okay, did you all get your when template? Did you all bring this? Show it to me quickly. No, Jian? Okay, no problem. The ones who don't have, it's okay. Yeah? What are we going to do if we don't have one? Jian, what are we going to do? Tell me quickly. If we don't have one, what are we supposed to do? What is it?
I don't know.
Okay. Don't know, no worries. You're going to pick up your notebook and you're going to write in the notebook. Okay, darling? All right, perfect. So, can we all sing the good morning song?
Yay.
Let's sing the good morning song, everybody. Go on, let's start. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. 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 Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, yeah, Karen. Good morning, Ariba. Hello. Oh, where is your whale? You don't have a curtain whale like me?
No.
Oh, that's okay. Oh, Hadia has got one. Nora, how about you? You don't have one? You can use any dupatta. See, Miss Aisha used a curtain. So you can fetch a dupatta. I'm sure Mama is going to have dupattas at home. Hey, Laksh. Nice to see you, darling. Oh, Mama is so pro. She got one instantly. Okay, cool then. Okay, children, where is Melissa? Oh, Nora doesn't want. It's okay. Fine. No worries. Okay, Nora is fine without that. You don't want that, sweetie? That's okay. I can't hear you, Nora. I don't know. You're muted or what? No, I can't hear you, sweetie. You're muted.
No.
Okay, no problem. Just pretend that you have got an imaginary whale. Okay? Oh, Melissa, Mrs. Smiley, I want to see Melissa. Is she wearing a whale too? Do you want to see Melissa?
Yeah.
Can we all say, Melissa, please come?
Melissa, please come.
Melissa, come.
Melissa,
Melissa,
please
don't
come.
jump. Don't jump.
Melissa,
Jump.
jump.
Why is your mouth so wide open? Hello. Is Miss Aisha wearing a curtain? Melissa, it's a whale, not a curtain. I know it's a curtain. Let me see the window. See, she took it from the window. Oh my God, this girl is so mad. So mad. Oh, sorry, crazy. Okay, sorry. It's okay.
But she's pretty.
Who's pretty? Oh, see, she said I'm pretty. Oh, you're sweet, but I don't find her pretty. She looks funny. I don't want her in my class, children. No, she's embarrassing me. No, I'm telling the facts. We are supposed to study. I'm sorry, I have to start. Okay. Okay, so you want to be with me? I actually do not want her with me. Hey, Hala, Laksh, Abu Bakr. Hello.
I'm
Okay,
fine.
who else did I miss? Ah, Abu Bakr has joined for the first time, I believe. Yeah. Okay, we're going to now start our sharing the PPT, shall we? Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
I love that. Yeah. Oh, Miss Aisha, what are you doing? Oh God, Miss Aisha. Oh God, what happened to my voice? You know, I think I'm talking like Melissa now. Don't you think the same? Aisha? Yeah, it's fine. Aisha? Did you just hear Melissa's voice by any chance? Did you, children?
This is the best.
What is it? Just give me a second, okay? I missed my YouTube link. I did not make a prep video yesterday because Miss Aisha was a bit busy. Okay, children, are you aware that Miss Aisha has got a Jolly Phonics song playlist on YouTube? Are you aware of that? No? How come you don't know? Yeah, that's what. You don't know it. There is something called Jolly Phonics song. Okay, the children who know, it's good. Okay, the ones who don't know, just know that I have a playlist called Jolly Phonics Songs and Lyrics. So all the songs that Miss Aisha is playing in the session, you will find it on YouTube. Okay? Okay, say okay fast. Lisa, students. Are you yelling at my children? La, la, la. No, no. Okay, fine. Okay, hi Katyani, nice to see you, darling. Today Miss Aisha looks like a bride, I believe, with the curtain on. Okay, let's start the song. And everyone, where's your magical smile? Ah, missing. Melissa, did you find their smile by any chance? Oh, they have. Some of them have already got their magical smile. Huh? Is it? Okay. Why are you exaggerating so much? Don't tell them, Melissa, okay? We have a secret for them. Okay, I won't tell. Oh, you've got a secret for them? Okay, I will not tell the secret to them. Never, no, no. Children, there's a secret for you. And Miss Aisha told me not to tell. Fine. Okay, I'm going to share the screen, children. Everybody with the beautiful smile. Ready, steady, go. Melissa, take a break for a while now. Oh, Melissa is disturbing a lot. It's only because you like Melissa I'm getting her. Otherwise, she is troubling me so much. Isn't it? Okay, let's begin.
Try big span round the village. Try big span round the village. Try big span round the village. Ooh.
You know how do you do this action? Children, we are learning the v sound today. What sound are we learning? The v sound. And how do we do the action? How do we do the action? V. Pretend as if you're driving a van. Can you do that? Oh yeah, this is how you do it. Hold the steering and go like this. Cool. And we make the sound v. Can you see this? It's not w. W is different. It's v, like this. You might have a tickling sensation on your lips or around your mouth when you say the sound v. The letter V has the phonic sound v. I don't hear a v. It's not w. It's v, like this. Yes. Get your teeth on top of your lower lip and say yes, not ooh, okay? It's not ooh, look at my lips. Okay, I'm going to show it to you once again before I play this, okay? Everyone, ready, steady, go!
Try big span round the village. Try big span round the village. Try big span round the village. Ooh.
Awesome. I'm so proud of each one of you. So now, are we all going to write the v sound? Shall we? Shall we?
Yeah.
Mr. Smiley, I don't have my papers around. Oh, I'm supposed to go and get it? I'm sorry. He says he's not going to give me the papers this time. I think I need to go. Give me a minute, okay? I'm getting my papers. Okay? In the meanwhile, you get your books or papers with you. We are all going to write the v sound. Coming. Ta-da. Come on, curtain. Come along. Okie dokie. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Oh, where is the curtain gone? Okay. You know, Miss Aisha always loved to wear a veil and a wedding gown, but I never wore one. So because of this lesson, I'm feeling so happy that I could wear something in white. Achoo! Achoo! What is that? Hey, Mariam. Nice to see you, honey. Where is my Nora gone?
You look like a princess.
You got a pencil? Awesome. I'm going to pin myself to the screen so later you can see me, okay? But Miss Aisha, pin yourself to the screen. Ah, there you are, children. Okay, so shall we all write the v sound? Okay, ready? Look at this. A line like this. Okay, and then you go up again. This is the letter V making the phonics sound. How do you do the sound? I want to see. Everyone, come on, come closer to the camera and show me. It's like this, okay? I'm pinning myself again to the screen. If you can you see that? Now I want you all to do that for me because there is a difference between W and V. Many children, they say both of them as W, which is wrong. It's not W. This is V. And this is W. What? V. Van. Okay? Okay. So can you all do it? Unmute yourself. Everybody, come closer to the camera and show me how you do that. How do you do that? Yes, not good. It's like this. Your teeth, okay, should fall on your lower lip. Like this. Yes. You should have some tickling sensation. Are you having something tickling sensation around your mouth? Are you?
No.
Nope. Then good enough. Because whenever Miss Aisha says, I actually have some tickling sensation around. And then I feel like scratching my mouth. It is something like that. Good, you don't have the same. All right, darling. So now we are going to sort the sound words. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Say yeah. Okay, girls. Yeah. Okay, don't touch your weight, otherwise it will just collapse. Okay, cool then. Ready, steady, go. We are going to use this in a while. Before that, we have an activity and I want each one of you to listen carefully. Okay, listen to the rules. And when I say speak, you have to unmute. Each one of you have to unmute and say the answer. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Good girls. Not girls, they're boys also. Oh, Melissa would have definitely shouted at me. Sorry. Good job, children. Okay. There you go. I'm going to share the screen again. And awesome. Miss Aisha, what are you doing? Today, I think Miss Aisha is doing very bad.
The mom and the dad make
Sorry. I'm so sorry. Super tired, I believe. That's why I'm really lost. Okay, fine. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, honey. Okay, cool. Okay, this is the activity, okay? Now I am going to point out to each picture, okay? And you have to tell me whether those picture has v sound in them, okay? The beginning sound should be all right. Oh, listen again. Miss Aisha is going to point out at the picture. I will tell the name, okay? And then if yes, you will say yay. If no, you will say no. Okay? All right. 1, 2, unmute yourself, everybody. Volcano. Volcano. Does it start with the v sound?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yay or a nay?
Again.
Yes or a no? Yay or a nay? Loudly.
Yay.
Okay, let's click on it. Woohoo! Yeah, that's correct. Each time you get the right answer, you're going to clap for yourself, okay? Can we all do that? Good job. Next one. How about this? Dog. Is it a dog or a wolf?
Yes. Yes.
Wolf. Are you sure?
Well, yes.
Look at my lips. Okay, look at my lips. If you're not sure, you look at my lips, okay? Like, see, volcano. You saw my lips, right? How it was? The teeth was on top of the lower lip. Now, wolf. Wolf. Yay or a nay? Wolf. I want to see yay or a nay. Nay, because wolf starts with the w sound. Okay. Next one. Next one. Violin. Violin. Yay, good job. Okay, next one. Kite. Kite. Does it begin with the v sound? No, that's right. Lovely. So proud of you. I hope you're clapping for yourself. Next one. Ready for the next one? Okay. Okay, here you go. Vegetables. Vegetables. Now you got the trick, right? You're checking my lips. Vegetables. Okay, let's click on that. Vegetables. Right. Awesome, awesome. So proud of you guys. Next one. Van. 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 Yes, that's right. Are you clapping? I don't see you clapping, darling. Okay, next one. Vet. Vet. I want the others as well to answer. Look at the teacher's lips. Vet. No? Look. Vet. Yes, that's right. Vet is an animal doctor. Okay, next one. Okay, the last one. Let's see if you get this right. And I want each one of you to say that. Are we having the eyes on the screen at the count of 3? 3, 2, 1. Like this. Eyes on the screen. Okay, look at my lips and tell me if it begins with the v sound. Okay, vase. Vase. Yes. Okay, I want to see the thumbs up, each one of you. If you say it begins with the v sound, show me a thumbs up. Okay, I can see few. Abu Bakr, Laksh. Okay, Abu Bakr showed it. Awesome. All right, all right. How about Laksh? I'm waiting for you, sweetheart. Okay, what Laksh says yes. Okay, let's try. Vase. Oh, that's correct. Can we do a shaky, shaky, shaky dance? Yeah, hey, shaky, shaky, any crazy shaky dance. That's cool. I'm so proud of you guys. Miss, what's my name? I forgot my name. What's my name? Miss Aisha. Oh, yes, thank you. You know, sometimes I call myself Miss Melissa. That's so funny, right? Okay. Yeah. Now there's something more I need to tell you before I begin, okay? Before I move ahead. While we are going to read the v sound words, okay? V sound words, there might be some spelling rules, okay? Some spelling rules might be difficult for you and you might be like, oh, I don't understand anything. But then it's okay, okay? With practice, you will understand that. But I will not try to go in depth so that you get confused, but I will introduce it to you, okay? And this should be ready. I hope you have got ready. The ones who don't have this, what are we going to do? Take any paper or take a notebook and start writing. But do not write with the pencils, darling, because Miss Aisha cannot see it here, okay? Okie dokie? What? Yes, my veil looks like it's gonna fall down now. Ah, come on, darling veil. Okay. Fine.
Why you're on my whiteboard?
Oh yes, it's not your whiteboard, it's mine. Okay, let's begin. Okay, children, you know that you have to unmute yourself when you are going to talk, right? And no sad faces allowed. Are we having sad faces? No, nobody.
No.
I know you guys are such good, darling, smarty pants. Oh, where's your whale, Karen? You lost your whale now? Okay, fine. Ready, steady, go. What does this say? Read the words and write them on the when template. Okay, cool. We are going to do that. Uh-oh. Are we ready? Okay. Okay, listen now. This is listening ears, okay? Miss Aisha is going to, you can see the laser pointer, Gian. Can you see the laser pointer, darling?
Yes.
Okay. Now your eyes here. Okay, and listening ears. Miss Aisha is going to say the sound and you are going to what? Sleep?
No.
What are you going to do then? Repeat after me. Repeat. Miss Aisha is going to say the sound and you are going to repeat. And you will also try blending along with me, okay? Okay. Yes. Say, okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher. Okay,
Okay, brilliant. Let's start. The first word. Not goo. Jian, you have to follow the instruction. Eh. T. Come on, repeat. Eh. T. Et. 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 What is it? What word is it? Loud and clear. Vet. Yes. It's vet. Vet is an animal doctor. Okay. Brilliant job. Come on, children. Can we all now try to write the vet? I'm going to pin myself to the screen now. Give me a second. Okay. Are you able to see this? Mommies?
Yes.
Is it clear or blurry? How is it?
Yes, clear.
Okay, awesome. Okay, let's write the et. There are three sounds. Eh. T.
It is so blurry.
Is it?
Yeah.
How come? How about the others? Is it blurry to you too? Because for me it's clear here. Okay, it's clear, sweetie. Okay, there you go. It's wet. I want to see the word wet. Katyani, where is your smile, Katyani? Gorgeous pie. Yes, show me your work too. Get it a bit closer to the camera, honey. Awesome. Laksh, where are you? Show me your work too. Something. Okay, Masa, I would love to see you. Okay, everyone. Did you write the word wet? Oh, yes. Awesome. So proud. Where is Laksh gone? Here he is. Yes. Laksh, wet. Awesome. I can see that word. Brilliant job. Okay, darling. Now, Hala has written, I want to say this. Hala has written this word. Abu Bakr, just try to check the background noise at your end, honey. Okay. Now, children, look at this. I just saw Hala writing this word. Wet. 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 Wet is like when the water falls or you have some liquid falling, then it becomes wet. Yes, that wet is different. And this wet, what we have written is different. Yeah, this is wet. Wet. And this one is wet. Look at my lips. It's different. Yeah, wet. So thank you, Hala, for getting that. So at least I could explain that to everyone. All right. Are you ready for the next one?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Darling, I can hear some music in the background. I'm not sure at whose end, but if you've got it at your end, please just, keep yourself muted. Okay. Say 1, 2, 3, and we are going to have the next word.
1, 2, 3.
Whose end is it?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Oh, we have the old word. Oh, we've got another one. Are we following the rules? Are we following the rules? You're not following the rules. Come on, let's begin. Let's begin. Come on. Yeah, are you repeating after the teacher? And what's the word? Oh, this is easy. Yes, it is van. Awesome, awesome. So proud. Okay, take the van template. Wow, Jian has already written the word van. Let me.
Miss, I can't see you.
You can't see me?
Yeah.
Why? Is it?
No.
You can't see me, darling?
Yeah, I am tired. My sister is going.
No, I'm not sure who's that. Wait. Who's that?
Masa, I am going
Yeah,
to
Masa.
tell my father.
Try rejoining again, Masa. You'll be able to see.
Tell her.
Try rejoining again, okay? All right, then. Let's begin. The others? Okay. We are going to write, I forgot the word. What was the word we are supposed to write? What was the word? Van. Okay, awesome. Say the sound whenever you're writing. It's not just writing the sound. That's the main thing, okay? Ah. When. Okay, darling, we forgot to add the sound buttons. Try adding the sound buttons when you're writing. Saw this? Has everyone done it? Van. Show me your work. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Just make space anywhere on the van, okay? So it's not necessary. Miss Aisha is writing here, so you will also write here. You can actually write in the windows or anywhere, but provided you all share your pictures. You don't want to show your face, it's okay. But share your work samples with me so that I know what you have done. Okay? I don't see many of the parents sharing their work samples. Okay, awesome. Ariba, show me your work. Jian. Wow. Laksh, you also. Abu Bakr, show it to me. Show your word. Get it closer to the screen, Laksh. Okay. Try writing it a little bit bigger, okay, Laksh? So that I can see it even more clearer. All right, awesome. Now, you know what? I want you children to get up and have a sip of water. Come on, go quickly. And Miss Aisha is also going to go with my curtain. Ta-da! I'm coming back. Sip of water, everyone. Water break.
This is my bigger giant.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Nobody says anything.
Just try to open it.
Okay.
1 hour later.
1 hour later. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. This is how Miss Aisha has to sit with the whale. I wonder how the brides sit on their wedding day. I haven't seen anyone. I haven't gone to a wedding. So where they wear long veils. You have seen anyone wearing veils? Yeah, I wore a veil, but it was in red color, for my wedding. So have you seen anyone in your family members or friends wearing a veil?
No. Yes.
No?
Yeah.
You did? Yeah. It's awesome, right? The ones with the long one, oh God, I saw someone, she was having, I think, such a long veil. There were 10 people holding it from behind. And she was walking in the front. Wow. I wonder how she sat with it. Maybe she kept it like that on top of the chair like this. Because I am actually holding it like this and walking it. So it's kind of really surprising. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
Only one person, only Mariam is saying red.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I love that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
good job. Let's start the next word. Laksh, smiley, smiley face, Laksh. Okay, ready for the next one? Ooh, what is this? Now over here, I need to show you something. It is, what is Miss Aisha wearing? What is Miss Aisha wearing? It's a veil. Veil. Now look at this, children. Miss Aisha is going to write on the screen. We have, what is this?
Veil.
This makes the sound A. E and I are called diphthongs. What are they called? Diphthongs. We will be covering it in future classes, inshallah. All the diphthongs, consonant digraphs, consonant blends, we are going to cover. Why is this called diphthong, by the way? I'll just tell you in brief. The ones who are older enough to understand, for them. Why is it called a diphthong? Do you know the vowels A, E, I, O, U? There are 5 vowels.
Yeah.
Yes. Have you seen?
Yes.
We have got E here, we have got I, 2 vowels together. Yes. When there are 2 vowels together and they make one sound, it's called a diphthong. What is it called?
Diphthong.
Diphthong. Okay, fine. It's a little bit more for you right now, but I'm just briefing you out with that. Okay. So come on. Come on, everybody. This is A. L. Ale. What is it? Ale. Ale. Loud and clear. Wait. I think someone's phone is vibrating badly. Come on, children. Whose phone is that? Do I get a notification like this if someone's phone is vibrating?
I think yes.
You got the secret, Hadia? No, it's not mine. Okay, let's begin that. Oh yes, have you seen my glittery phone? It has got shiny cover, and whenever I'm just stressed, I just play with my phone up and down like this. That's crazy, yeah? But actually my phone is just buzzing. Let me put it on silent. All right. What word were we supposed to write? Was it a wet or a van? I don't remember. Guys, what was the word? What? Oh, yes, it's the veil. Right. Let's write down the word veil. Can you see it, honey?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Okay, start. A. L. A. L. Veil. Veil. Okay, show me your work now. Show me your work. Let me see who's the fastest. Smudgy
I
paint.
do it faster.
Oh yes, Laksh, show me your work, honey. Jian, I want everyone. Beautiful, beautiful. Rest all have written. Yes, even my Jian has written. Laksh, I would love to see your work. Whale, whale. Come on, show whale. So what's the word, children? What did we write now? What was the word? Well. You mean to say the well from which we draw water? This is well. Like from where we get the water, right? It's a big, deep kind of, a hole, and you've got water inside. In olden days, people used to take water from the well. So you know what's a well? Have you seen a well before? Maybe a picture? You have? No, I've actually seen it in my grandmother's village. It is so scary. If you see inside, you feel as if you're going to fall inside the well. And yeah, I think children should not be going around the well. It's not safe, honestly. Yes?
Well,
You have seen a well? That's nice. Miss Aisha is scared till date to go near a well. It's so scary for me. And spooky too. Okay, cool. Let's go at the next one. Okay. Oh, I didn't share the screen, right? Did I
nope.
share the screen?
Wait, can you pass me? Nope. Miss Aisha.
Oh, yes.
Wait, can you type? Well is starting with.
Well, yes. Well, it starts with the w sound, whereas whale starts with this is a whale. Okay.
Wait, what?
Am I hearing something? Oh, Ariba says I saw monsters coming out. Oh, did you see a monster coming out from a well?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Ariba says that. I'm so scared, Ariba. You just scared me. Okay, let's go with the next word now. Ta-dan, ta-dan, ta-dan. I don't see any of my boys wearing vest. Oh, did I just say the word? Ah, goshy. Okay, come on, let's do this, children. Ready, steady, go. Come on, what is this? Ah, repeat after the teacher. Eh. Est. Est. Vest. What's the word? Vest. Yeah, that's a vest. What the boy is wearing there in the picture. So shall we all write the word vest? Shall we?
Yeah.
Okay, ta-da. Come on, let's do it. Eh. Vest. It's a consonant blend. Okay, we will learn about it later. We say this together. Vest. I would love to see everyone showing me their word method. Cool. Oh, how come? Did you eat some super powerful breakfast in the morning? Because you guys are all amazing today. Darling, someone's phone is buzzing. Please watch out. This is the beginning of the session. If you have got phones around, please put it on silent mode. Vest. Okay. Brilliant, brilliant. That's amazing. Lakshi, I want you to show me your work again. Come on, well done. Katyani, Hadia, Hala, Rahmat, Aliyan, Karen, Abu Bakr, awesome. Steffi, Nora, Mariam, Jian, Ariba, awesome, awesome, awesome. So proud of you, and I'm so proud of you. Good job.
Thank you.
Let me say fantastic to yourself. How do you say fantastic? Fantastic. You should say that to yourself more often. You know, if you've done a good job, then you should be saying fantastic to yourself. Okay, not even in my class, otherwise as well, in your school or at home, if you have done some good job, take a moment to appreciate yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Loud and clear. Come on. Are you ready for the next word?
Yeah.
Next word is going to be a bit tough. Oh, see, we've got something here. More information for our little learners, okay, who's perhaps below 5 years old. You know, it might be a bit of thing for you to understand this, even for the 6-year-olds. Okay, but this is just information for you. Okay, now I'm going to write on the screen and show it to you. What is the split digraph? 1 minute. Okay, let me take a pen. You know what? Miss Aisha lost her smart pen. I don't know where I kept it. Okay, now children, there's something called as magic E. Okay, this is for all the age groups. They should know this. Okay, when the word has a magic E at the end, then just remember that the letter name, the letter will have the letter name and not the sound name. Okay, basically it's like this. So how will you read this as? Come on, read with me. Hat, hat, right? Now you've got, what kind of a E is this? What is it called? What E is it? Magic E. When you have magic E, this A will have the letter name. That's A. You know the 5 vowels, right? A, E, I.